Welcome to day 49 of our Confidence to Cash 90-day sprint. Yesterday we talked about leading with vision, and today we're going to step one step further and go into leading how to cast your vision to others. Because when you learn to share your vision clearly, you don't just build followers, you build leaders. So, when I first started in the digital space, I didn't realize that my words could plant seeds into someone else's future. But that's exactly what happens when you cast your vision. You help people see themselves inside that bigger picture. When you say things like, you can do this, you have what it takes, here is what's possible if you keep showing up. You're not just speaking words, you're transferring that belief to them. People need to hear hope from someone who's living it. They need to know that if you can build freedom, they can too. And that's what starts with painting the picture. Where are you going, why it matters, and what it looks like if they come along. Here is how you cast your vision right away. First, paint the possibilities. Describe the results that people can achieve. Imagine working 2 hours a day and still having time for your family, your faith, and your fun. Second, share the path. Briefly show them the steps to get there. That's exactly what we need to do to inspire this community. We need to learn to grow and earn together with systems that create time freedom. And third, invite them to believe. Give them a reason to take that next step. You're not here by accident. This message found you. It's time for more. Vision casting isn't about hype, it's about heart, helping people see what's already inside of them. Leaders do not push people, they pull them forward with vision. And your story is the bridge that gets them there. Don't underestimate the power of your words, your hope, and your example. You never know who's watching, who's needing that reminder that it's still possible. Here on day 49, here is your challenge. Write or record a short post where you cast your vision. Start with, imagine if, and paint the picture of what's possible for your audience. Then grab that 49-day worksheet below. It will help you structure your message and practice casting your vision with confidence, clarity, and heart. Drop a star emoji in the comments if you're ready to start speaking life into others' vision. And get excited because tomorrow is day 50 and we're going to celebrate a major milestone. You're halfway through your 90-day sprint, and we'll reflect how far you've come and the leader that you're becoming. I'll see you tomorrow.